Baby, why aren't you in the kitchen? You're on YouTube, you realize, right, Baymax? Baby. What? Why aren't you going in the kitchen? Come on, come with me. Come with me, boy. So annoying sometimes. Oh, here's Hannah, the one from the last video. Hannah throwing applesauce at me. And here's Emma. She's never been in a video, I think. Hi. Shout out to my boys. They told me to give them a shout out today, so yeah, shout out to you. Let's do it. Baby! Baby! The hell? Why aren't you moving? Come on! Come on, boy! Baymax! Oh, Baymax! Don't get near them. Baymax, come with me. Baymax, follow. Baby! Follow me.
You know me, I hate Lowe's, but I found such a great deal with that Lowe's coupon. I can buy a coupon for $5 and I get $30 off of purchases of $50 or more. Wow. So last two times I went, I spent literally exactly $50. You know what I mean?
Alright. Tried to get him in the kitchen. Sorry, bros. It's hard to get him in the kitchen. Love you, bros. Make sure you subscribe to me, PewDiePie, and Mr. Beast. Bro.